construct elaborate bowers, showcasing advanced spatial intelligence and aesthetic preferences to attract potential mates. Bowerbirds meticulously select and arrange objects based on color preferences, demonstrating a remarkable understanding of aesthetics and signaling reproductive fitness. Bowerbird courtship is an evolved strategy, showcasing creativity and intelligence. The diversity of bowers highlights the role in species-specific communication and mate selection.
Explore the fascinating world of the wild. Subscribe for more insights into nature's incredible wonders. Like, share, and join us in celebrating their unique talents.